Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 9th NCERT, chapter 3 coordinate geometry. It is a very simple and easy chapter, coordinate geometry. So first of all, you know what is the coordinate. Coordinate geometry is a very simple representation or location of any point. Indicate the location of any point in a coordinate plane. Coordinate plane means there will be a x and y axis, or this is called xy plane, or it is also known as Cartesian plane. This is also used in the locating house or any daily life task. You can use it. Location of house in your street, location of any post office, bus stations, in the graph papers, it is indicated with the help of coordinate geometry. Big colonies, many street number 1, 2, 3, like this, many colonies are there. All these things located by this. Row and column wise adjustment, lighting up, setting up the class, row and column wise, or any other task. So here rows and columns. What are the rows and columns? It is the rows. Suppose in the classroom you want to adjust. So rows and column, 5 columns and 4 rows. A student A is sitting at 5th column, 4th row. Column is 5th and row is 4th. 1, 2, 3, it is called the row, and you are arranging your class like this. Horizontal line I am taking column, vertical line I am taking the rows. Indication of the column, first column, second, third, fourth, fifth, it is rows. So first here the first column, second row, suppose here, second column, third row, maybe fourth column, third row, or fifth column, fourth row. If a student A sitting fifth column, fourth row, indicated by 5 on x-axis, and then this is. In the 8th standard we have already finished the axis. What is the axis? In the class 8th, introduction of graphs we have finished, and statics we have drawn this x and y axis. So in the exercise 3.1, like this, there is a given for daily life, not exactly in a coordinate geometry. It is given here. How will you mark? Like this, here is a one more question, column and students, like this one example is given in the book. Here also it is given 9 centimeter, in the centimeter you can place anything, stable or anything. So in 3.1, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Suppose you divide your study table in different parts. Study table you will divide in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. 8 columns I have divided, and 7 rows. So 1 centimeter or 1 feet you are putting the dots. 1 feet. It depends on what is the length. You divide your table like this boxes, and from right side you can first horizontal line 8, 7 on 8th column, 7th row, or you can say on this point you can put your table lamp, or you can put here. Generally you put the table lamp on right side. So it is the figure of putting the position of lamp on the table is 8, 7. 8th row, 7th, 8th column, 7th. So horizontal will be at first place. Like this, second question is given. You in a city, 2 main roads are there crossing each other, and each 2 roads is along north and south direction, east and west direction. You all the other streets or city run parallel to this, 200 meter apart, 5 streets in each direction. 1 centimeter is 200 meter, means 1, 2, 3 you will indicate. And then first of all you plot accordingly, then you find out what is the cross to 5. Then we will call this cross section is 2, 5. Like this, second street, fifth street, horizontal, vertical. How will you plot? First of all you will draw a north and south direction. It is a south and here it is north. So you have got the north direction and south direction, east, west. So it is a crossing where two roads are main road. It is the main road. This road is the main road. Both the direction it is going, and then west and east direction it is going. This north and south crossing at this place. From here origin you are intersecting point of the road. Left side you are, right side you are going, and upper side you are going, and marking 1 2 3 4 5 street here, 5 street here. It is street number 5 4 3 2 1 0. It is main road. Here first street, second street, third street, fourth street, fifth street, then up to so on. So you want to get only till 5 street. 5 street marking this. So where will you plot the 2 comma 5? 2 comma 5. Second and fifth. Second street on horizontal road, fifth place. It is the number of houses. So 2 comma 5 means your position of house. First street there are 5 houses, second street like this. So 2 comma 5 where, 3 comma 4 is where, 4 comma 3 is where. You are in the 3 comma 4. First horizontal, then vertical. So here it is given how many cross streets can be referred to 4 3. 4 3, 4 3, 4, first 4 and 3. Then 3 4, 3 comma 4. 2 comma 5 it is there already given in the question. So 4 3 only unique. There is no any other point 4 3. Other point is 3 4. First is 3 then 4. 3 4 is also a unique. So it is a unique. Like this now we will see the Cartesian plane. What will you see? What is the Cartesian plane? This is a number line simply. Simply you will get the number line which intersect each other at 90 degrees. Two number lines. And you get like this a Cartesian plane. Like this you will understand. The Cartesian plane lines are a horizontal line which is also a number line, a vertical number line I am drawing. Both when together meet, then they are intersecting at 90 degree and form a Cartesian plane. It is called the Cartesian plane which have two axes intersecting each other at 90 degree. Point of intersection is called origin. Horizontal line and